Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Send SOS Messages on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to return to your home screen, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, we're going to swipe down and tap on advanced features. In advanced features menu, swipe down and tap on Send SOS Messages. Now at the top here, tap on the switch to turn it on. In order for you to turn on these features, your device needs to have a vast number of permissions, such as contacts, camera, SMS, storage, location, phone, microphone, call logs. If you are happy for the device to have permission to these features, then tap on the start button. And it says here, add recipient to send SOS messages. Add at least one recipient. So tap on the add button to proceed. In here, you can proceed to create a new contact or select from a list of contacts. In here, I'm going to choose, for example, this one, and you can choose one or multiple contacts up to 4. So I'm going to choose, say, another example right here. So just something random, and then tap on done. So the next thing is to set the press the side key. So you can set your device to press 3 times or 4 times. And if you want, you can set it to 4 times. It's totally up to you. Or you can set it to 3 times, which is the default. And then you can also have auto call someone. Select someone to call after your SOS messages are sent. So this way the phone can automatically make the call. And down here you got attach pictures. So attach pictures taken using the front and rear cameras. You can turn this feature on or off. So when you are sending your SOS messages, the phone will automatically using the front and back camera to take a snapshot of what's going on in your surrounding. It can also attach an audio recording. So the audio is a 5-second audio clip. And then down here, it just tells you who it will send the messages to. And you can tap on that. And in here, you can tap on the plus button to add more contacts, or you can delete an existing contact. And that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or off. And finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.